Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This video will be about unlocking the locked cards in Hamster Kombat. So if you have started the application, you can see here I can tap on my hamster, but this will not earn my account a lot of coins. So in order to increase your coins, what you can do is you can try to unlock the locked cards over here. So you have 4 different sections, which include the PR and team, the markets, the legal and the specials. So the most easy thing to do is to go to the PR and team and try to sequentially unlock these locked cards. So at this point we even not have we have 196 coins. However, when we reach the 1k mark, we can see that we hit the CEO and the marketing cards. And the important thing is that this will earn us profit per hour of 170. So this will mean that we will have more potential to earn our crypto coins eventually. So you have to do all the unlocking of these cards sequentially, which means it takes a lot of time. However, you can see for some of these cards, we even get plus 200 profit per hour. And this really helps with earning more coins and increasing our chances of getting a good position in the crypto space. So you can also click on the market section over here. However, to unlock this new section of cards, you have to join the Telegram channel to unlock it. I will not do it in this tutorial now, but the same holds for the legal and the specials, where you can just getting started with unlocking these cards. So this will help you very good with increasing your amount of tokens. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the